What's today's date? Anybody know?
Today's the 25th.
20 what?
225.
25. April 25, 2022. The world's first roof tile, vertical tile garden, in conjunction with a vertical oyster garden, and the special new design of the horizontal vertical. Got it. Okay, I got that. Send the other. There it is. Got it. All right, and the garden.
I'm going to give you the other end of this one there.
Got it.
Pretty cool. It's like a little reef shelf reef.
Yeah. Simple. I think the fish won't mind it though. They'll be all right.
All right.
So I'm going to hang it on an angle lower. You know, because it seems like the oysters and stuff like the lower shelves. In fact, I'll do the next one vertical. So just give me a tile, it'll be all done.
You just want a tile now?
Yeah, and I'll just do that one vertical. So you'll never see these wires up on the top. They're hidden there.
Right.